Hi, my name is Jay. I'm an American-Israeli attorney with offices in Tel Aviv, Haifa, Jerusalem, and Ra'anana. A lot of people are coming and asking me and saying, Mr. Hait, during this Corona period, when a lot of people aren't working because they're on chalat, which means chofesh, lelo tashlum, or unpaid vacation, then how is that going to affect our obligations when it's the men in terms of child support, and when it's the women of, hey, what am I going to do about my ex not working? It's a very interesting question. Everything is based on either agreement or judgment, right? The amounts that are being paid either are being paid because there was an agreement made or there was a judgment. So the general rule is that in order to change the agreement or judgment that you had prior to Corona or at any time, is you need what's called a change in circumstances. And to date, the courts have ruled generally that there is no change in circumstances due to Corona and due to chalat. Okay, so generally that means that they're not going to allow for child support payments to be lowered, to be changed. Now that being said, you can always renegotiate if both of you agree. And you can also, by the way, agree that there are going to be lower payments now and the payments are going to be made higher later, so that after this period is over, you can get the money back. And then, of course, if you don't reach an agreement, then whoever is owed the debt is able to go to Hotslap, to Hotslap, the bailiff's court, and use the tools that the bailiff court has for collecting child support. And even though I haven't heard of anybody going to jail yet during this period for not paying, theoretically it is possible. Now, when the spouse who's paying child support has lost his job, it's the other side who's able to go to Hotslap. I just want to make sure that you understand. The person who's lost the job isn't the one who's going, it's the person who's not getting paid who's going. And finally, when we see people stop receiving the Corona and government subsidies, that's when, how should you say, the really interesting time period is going to come, because none of us know what the judge is going to say. If the judges will start saying, okay, now finally it's a real change in circumstance, and then we can start changing the amounts of child support, or are they going to say, no, it doesn't make a difference, there was an agreement, there's a judgment, keep using the Hotzah Lapor. And why is it important for you to know this? Well, during this period of Corona, everyone is going through financial instability. And if you have a general idea of how the system works, then it's going to enable you to better plan. Whether that plan be, hey, wait, I'm going to be more flexible to renegotiate with my spouse, or whether that plan be, hey, I'm going to hold out and let's see what happens after the Corona period. These types of decisions could be affected by your understanding of how the system works. So if you have any other questions about family law, then please call me. My staff and I help people with issues like these day in, day out, and we can help you too. My phone number and my email appear on the screen in front of you. Thank you and have a great day.